Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I found this at Walmart and I had to make a video using this popsicle. Nickelodeon slime. Like, you guys, I was so hyped when I saw this. I like stopped in my tracks. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a Nickelodeon slime fishbowl. If you want to see what it looks like, I'm about to show you. This is how it looks. And it looks so pretty. Doesn't it look cute? It looks so cute, you guys. Hold on, let me turn down my little light because I feel like the light is messing me up. But it's okay, you guys. It looks so cute. Like the colors, everything about this daiquiri just looks so freaking cute. Like, you guys, if you have this at your Walmart, you have to make this daiquiri. If you want to see how I made this daiquiri, keep watching. So the first layer we're gonna make is the orange layer. So I'm gonna pour a shot of Orange Vodka, and then I'm gonna pour some triple sec in there. Oh, it just smells orange. Like, you know how you just smell orange? That's exactly what it smells like. Like, I don't know how a color has a smell, but y'all get what I'm saying. It just smells like orange. Next, we're gonna add some ice into the mix. And then we're gonna add some orange juice too. Now, I kind of did it backwards. I should have added my ice last like I normally do, but you know how you just be in the motion, so it doesn't really matter which way you do it. But I'm gonna go ahead and add some orange juice too. So I'm gonna add about a half a cup of orange juice, not a lot, because you want to make sure you're able to put your top back on, because if you add a lot you won't be able to. See how I was able to put my top on with no problems? So you're not gonna add a lot, just about a half a cup. And then you're gonna add some orange flavored mix to give it that nice orange color. So this is really a preference. I like to add a lot so it can taste like, you know, the mix I'm using, and it can have that color, but you don't have to add as much as I did. I just added a lot because, you know, I'm extra. So now, you see me struggling with this Ninja bullet. You want to make sure your top is on nice and tight, because if it's not on nice and tight, it's going to be a mess, and I already made enough messes. Hey, I'm back and I'm better. So I'm just going to blend it. Now you want to make sure all the ice is blended, and you want to make sure it is nice and thick, because if it's runny, then it's not going to layer right. I always preach this to you guys, so make sure all the ice is blended together and make sure that it's nice and thick. If it's not thick, it's not going to blend. Like, it's going to run together and it's not going to be as pretty as it could be because it's blended together. So right now I'm just going to keep blending it, and basically you're going to blend it until you don't hear any ice. So I'm almost done. I don't hear the ice like how I normally hear it. So I'm almost done blending. Still hear a little. For this layer, we're gonna add a shot of Smirnoff green apple vodka. Make it nice and green. I'm gonna add our top on. Now I want to add some more apple just because I filled mine up to the rim, and the liquor will melt the ice, but you don't have to. You can only do it if you have like a ninja bullet like me. Don't want to go on. You could add just a little splash of vodka and it will melt the ice. So right now I'm making sure that it's on there tight. I'm rolling it together. And basically you're going to blend until you don't hear the ice chunks anymore. Tell that it's going to be a little runny, so once I finish blending I'm going to add some more ice into it. And the only reason why it's a little runny is because I added an extra shot of alcohol. So here's my little trick that I do. You don't have to do it, but I like to do it because it keeps the colors separate until you pull it apart. Just get a big old spoon and put it in the middle. Big old fruit. Big old fruit. My bad, y'all. As soon as I said big old, that song popped in my head, but it's okay. So you're gonna get a big old spoon, big spoon, and you're gonna put it in the middle. I should have left it alone. You're gonna put it in the middle, and basically you're just gonna be like doop 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 doop. So I'm gonna start with my orange first, and then I'm gonna start with my green. So I'm just going to layer it. Make sure you have enough on each side. So orange, yellow. This is why I said it's important it's important to have it nice and thick, because if it's not thick, then it's going to bleed together, and that's what you don't want. You don't want it to bleed together. So right now, I am just layering each side. And then when I take the spoon apart, it's going to come together nicely. So you want to make sure you fill this up to the top. Now for this drink, we're not going to layer it with candy. Well, I said layer. We're not going to put candy on top because I feel like the ice pop is going to make it pop just by itself. So right now, I'm just putting it on top. So this should be enough. Then you're gonna pull this part apart. And you see what I mean? It's like nice and even and divided on each side. See? Nice and divided on each side. So basically now all you have to do is just fill it up. So I think I added more green than more orange than anything. So right now, I'm just going to go like this. And then add a little bit more cream. This is how it should look. You see how it's nice and divided. Looks cute, right? It looks real cute. If you want, you can pop this in the freezer for a couple minutes and then put your ice pop on top. But I like to put the ice pop on top and then freeze it so it can stick together. So that's what I'm about to go do now. I'm about to go add the ice pop.